Welcome back to the another session of our data structure journey. We are already covered the various operation of double linked list. So today we are going to learn how to search an element present inside the double linked list. So this is our menu drive program. We are already completed maximum function. This is the for insert at the beginning. Then display function we are already completed. Insert at end. Insert at any position. Then deletion of first node, then deletion of last node, then deletion of specific position we are already completed. Then we have to go for the searching. So this is our deletion from the first node, then deletion of the last node. Then we have to go for this is the void search. Then here we assume that initially there is no data is present for the searching value, means we assume that searching is false. So we have to declare that is flag. Flag is a variable. If we initialize 0 means we initially assume that the element is not present. After that we have to go for that. If it is present, then we have to make the flag as a 1. 1 is for true, 0 is for the false. So that's why we make the 0 means false, that element is not present. We have to assume. Then we search. If it is present, then we make as a true. So here what happened? We have to traverse the entire list. So traversing means we have to start from the start node to the end of the linked list. So start node we cannot able to use directly. So we have to store in another pointer. So that pointer we make as a temp and we store the value of start. So this is the way we have to declare the node equal to temp node equal to start. Then we have to enter which element we want to search. So here we have to enter the element to be search. कौन सा search we want to be value we want to search. That's why we have to mention which value we want to insert search. Then we have to scanf. Scanf means %d. For example, the variable we are going to store is the num. So this num also you have to declare in the declaration section. That is num is a integer data type. Once we then we have to traverse from the first position to the last position. So how many position we have done? The total length of the linked list. So we have to write down for I equal to 1 because first position we have to start up to end of the linked list. Up to end of the linked list means that temp not equal to null. This is the termination. Then I plus plus. So we have to declare I also one integer data type. Then we have to search. So searching means if you have to go for info, temp info is stored the information part. So temp info is equal to num means it matches with the value. Then what operation we have to perform? First we have to make the flag equal to 1 because initialization of flag is 0. Assume element is not present. If element is present, we have to make the flag equal to 1. Then we have to print that it is present. Printf new line %d is present inside linked list. So we have to mention that it is present inside the linked list. Then we have to break. Once we got reach the value, means we got the value is present. There is no need to traverse the entire list. We have to break and we have to. Once the for loop is over, for example, we traverse entire list and the element is not present. So we have to print that element is not present. So what is the condition? Condition is flag equal to 0 means element is not present. So we have to make flag equal to 0. It means element is not present. So simple, and we have to write down printf %d is not present inside linked list. So this is our search function. We have to add the condition inside the menu type program. So now we are already added inside the program. So let us compile as well as run this one. So insert at begin. For example, I want to insert 10 first element, then end position we want 20, end position 30, end position 40, end position 50. So we enter the value. Let us display. Display is which 7. 7 is for the display. So 10, 20. So this is our first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. 5 element is present inside the linked list. So if I enter 80, 80 is present or not. So output should be displayed, that is 80 is not present inside our linked list. So 8 is for search. What is the value? 80 I have to enter. So after that we are not get any value. Then what happened? We have to check whether we write the code properly or not. So here what happened? Search. We mentioned that %d is not present inside the list. But which value we are not mentioned. So these are the simple mistake we are maximum time we are going to do. So after that you have just cross check it. So now again we have to insert the value 10, then 2, second value 20, third value 30, fourth value 40, then 50. Then display is 7. So 7 it will display 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we have to search the element. Now we have to go for 80. Again we are not getting the correct result. Why? Thing is that here we make the temp equal to temp info, but here we are not make the temp equal to temp next, means it will for in only one node, it will not go to the second node. That's the main problem. So what we have to make temp info to temp next. So this is the way it will move from one node to the another node. That's why we are getting logical error. So initialization, we want to traverse, it's okay. This is our initialization, this is our termination, but there was no next iteration value of the temp. That's why this is the next iteration. So whenever we go for any loop, now you have to be careful about. There is no compilation error, but we are not able to get the correct answer. So this video I just try to explain you, if we are making such type of mistake, how to rectify it. So now let us say 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50. So we enter all the element. Now we have to go for display. Display is 7. Okay, now we have to go for search. Now I enter 80. 80 is not present inside the linked list. Hope you are able to understand where we did the mistakes. It may be our logical error, it may be our compilation, but we don't have to bother and we have to rectify it. Now we have to search element, that is 40, which is already present. So 40 is not present. What happened? It's showing 40 is not present. Let's see, 40 is already present. So now what happened? 40 is present. But what we got the value, that is 40 is not present. So there must be something wrong in our code. Here flag equal to 0 is not present. So what happened? Temp equal to temp info equal to num percentage is at the linked list. So here what happened? We are all also not mention which value it's going to be print. Same mistake we did. Let us again compile and run the program. So We have to insert the value 1 0, then 2. Now we have to go for display. 7 is the display. 10, 20, 33, 44. Okay. Now we have to go for searching. 8. Which value? 33. For example, I enter 33. 33 is present inside the linked list. Hope you are able to understand what are the silly mistake we did whenever we writing a program and we are not able to get the correct answer. So don't worry. Just try to rectify this one. For example, once again, I want to search which value. For example, 40. 40 is not present. So output will be display 40 is not present. Yes. For example, once again, I want to search that is 10. 10 is present inside the linked list. So right now our searching code is 100% correct. In our linked list, we want to search 10. 10 is present, but which location it is? First location or second location or third location? It may not. How to do it? So the same program we can perform here. We start the I value equal to 1, means position is 1. So whenever we reach any position and we got the num, means the I value is same as the position. So here we can change it. Percent is present inside the linked list at position. Position first package position. With position or at position? Present. Which position we can write down? This is the I. I is also the number of position. It is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. So position equal to, we can write down position equal to percent with position. Or with position, it is our choice. With position value. Percent is present with the position value. This one. First, we have to store the value inside the linked list. Then we have to go for display. So first element 10, 20, 33, 44, 55. 5 element present inside the linked list. We have to search. So I have to search 55. So 55 is present inside the link with the position value is 5. So here we got the correct answer because the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we got the which location it is present. Okay, let me once again we have to try. That is what are the elements? 10, 20. If I enter 20, 20 is present inside the linked list. 20 is present inside the linked list with the position value is 2. 20 is 2. Yes, 10, 20. So 20 is present inside the second position. So, so this is our final code. We did so many changes to got the correct answers. In this video, I just try to do in such a way that if you are facing any problem during the program, it can be possible to rectify. So void search means we have to search. So before that, the data should be present. Let's make the little bit data we store inside our double linked list. So for a 10, 20, 30, 5, 8, 9. So double linked list means both the direction connection is established. This is our start. This is our last. So here we have to make a variable flag as a 0. Reason is that initially we assume that element is not present. So flag means 0 is for false means not present, 1 is present. Then another variable that is now to store the value we want to search, then I. Node start temp. So what happened? We make a temp pointer that points to the, we make a temp pointer that points to the start node. Printf enter the element to be searched. So here we have to search an element. For example, I enter the value that is 5. Then for I equal to 1, so y equal to 1, temp not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Right now temp is this value, so it is not null. If temp info equal to num, what is temp before? 10 is equal to 5, no. So this loop is not going to execute. Temp equal to temp. Next, now what happened? Temp points to this node. Next node. Then temp is not equal to null, yes, because temp is pointing some value. So now temp info. What is temp info? 20. 20 is equal to 5. No. If it is no, this line will be executed. That is temp equal to temp. Next, so what happened? Right now, temp point to this one. Then temp not equal to null. So in between, what happened? I value is incremented. Initially 1, then 2, then 3. Right now, it is 3. So temp info is 30. 30 means 30 is equal to 5. No. If it is no, means temp equal to temp next. What is temp? This one. So now point to this value. So it will point to this node. Then after ending, what happened? I value is incremented by 1, that is 4. Then temp info. What is temp info? 5. 5 is equal to 5. Yes, it is true. If it is true, then what happened? Body of the for loop is going to be executed. Then what happened? We have to make the flag equal to 1. Printf. So what happened? It print %d is present inside the linked list with the value. So what is the value? Num. So num is come to which location? This location. So it will print 5 is present inside the link position with I. What is the I? I value is 4th. So with the position value 4. So 5 is, so we enter 5 first, second, third, fourth. So it's toward the fourth position. After that break. Break means it's come out of the loop, means it come out to this one. After that, the next line. If flag equal to 0, no, flag is 1. So this line will not execute. So it will comes to the end of this loop. So searching over, so at that time we will get that the 5 is present inside the 4. So this is the way searching function is going to be executed. Hope you are able to understand the concept of searching an element in a double linked list. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel as well as like and share the channel. Thank you so much.